What is the new child tax credit law?
So the big change is this tax credit that's starting to be paid out this month is actually a tax credit you normally would have had to wait until you filed your tax return next year to receive. But they've changed the rule for this year only, so that starting in July you will get a tax credit if you qualify for your children. And so the payment depends on your income and how many children that you have that you'll receive. But you'll get it starting July 15th every month through the end of the year.
Explain the monthly tax credits and how one goes applying for that.
So what the IRS is saying on their website is that they will use information that you provided earlier to determine if you qualify and automatically enroll you for the advance payments. And they say you don't need to take any additional action to get the advance payments. However, you can go to irs.gov and you just type in the search bar child tax credits, and it will take you to this site that has everything you need to know about how to apply, how to manage your payments, because let's say that you've changed bank accounts in this year, and now you've got to change the bank account the money's going to go to. So there's a place for you to do that, and there's a place for you to enter information if you didn't file a tax return last year, because it's based on your tax return last year that you filed. So if you didn't file a return, you need to go in and enter information so that you can get these tax credits. And then if you're wondering if you're even eligible, there's a thing called Eligibility Assistant, and you can click on that and you can put in your information and it will tell you whether you're going to get these payments or not.
Can you give examples of how this would vary from family to family?
Mm-hmm. So here's the big deal. So let's say you have a single person. They have to have earned last year less than $75,000 to qualify for these tax credits, and the children get, if they're under 6, they get a total through the rest of this year of $1,800. If they're age 6 to 17, they get a total of $1,500 through the end of the year. So it could be roughly $300 a month per child through December if you qualify. Now, if you're married filing joint, the cap on the income for both parties that filed a joint tax return is $150,000. And so if they earned less than that and they have children, they're going to get this tax credit monthly through the end of the year.
Is there anything else you'd like to add that you think
I guess
families should know?
the biggest thing is the IRS has done a really good job of creating this Q&A site. And again, it's irs.gov, and you just search in the search bar child tax credits, and it lays out everything and how it works and who qualifies and all of these links. So it's fantastic.